Welcome to Coffee Drinks that I drink so you don't have to. And in this week we have a head-to-head. We have the behemoth of the soft drink world, the $30 billion Coca-Cola, bringing us something a little special. It's a coffee cola. Coca-Cola in Italy have put coffee in their cola. We'll come back to you in a second. This contender, I suppose, is Fritz Cola, German-based, and this is their caramel coffee cola. Now, this is interesting. A lot of people for a long time have talked about mixing coffee and cola. I just never quite got it in my head to sound good. So I'm hesitant, skeptical, nervous, those things. Coca-Cola is, I think, a thing of beauty. It is a technological marvel in some ways. It is beautifully composed. Coca-Cola has become its own flavor, cola flavor. No one can really tell you what Coca-Cola tastes of. No one can break it to pieces because they've blended the flavors so beautifully that all you taste is the kind of combination, the kind of gestalt flavor. So you don't taste orange or lime or lemon or nutmeg or cinnamon or neroli oil. Those flavors are there, but you just can't get them. It's a beautifully composed thing, and so I'm hesitant that coffee will be a positive addition and not just disruptive to that balance. Now, how you feel about them as a company is more complicated. How you feel about the healthfulness of Coca-Cola is a separate deal, but I think it's a very clever product. Fritz, I don't know that much about. From memory, it's a little bit more citrus skewed. You know, typically competing products tend to be a little heavy on one flavor characteristic. You know, if you think about competing ketchups to Heinz, Heinz is your benchmark and others will be sweeter or more vinegary. And the same thing with colas. Typically they're too limey, they're too clovey or cinnamony or something like that. From memory, it's a little lemon heavy, but I could be wrong. Still, I think an independent business, so this, you know, it's a good-sized company from what I can tell, but it's, I think, still independently owned. Someone in the comments will correct me if I'm wrong on that. But they've both got coffee colas, and they both might be good, and they both might be disgusting. I just don't know. And so I've made them cold. I guess we should drink the Coca-Cola. That's a great sound, isn't it? Oh. So, okay, I need a bottle opener. You know, there are always people that can just open bottles of stuff with anything they have to hand. I am not one of those people. I need a bottle opener. Trusty spoon. I feel like the incumbent should go first. Coca-Cola plus coffee. Oh God, wish me luck. No! What is wrong with you? You have one of the most beautifully composed soft drinks in the world. The coffee taste is bad. It's got like a little dirty, very low quality tiramisu about it. That's sort of where I'm at with this one. That is bad. That is not good. We'll come back to you in a second. Okay, it's not great. I'm not sure it's even good, but it's not bad. Lavishing praise on the Fritz Cola today. So the coffee flavor in here is much more subtle. To me, it's that slightly rough end of coffee, not the interesting, pretty, sweet end of coffee. It's a cola coffee lemonade with caffeine. There's a thing for them, actually. There's quite a lot of caffeine in this. There's like a good dose of caffeine, which who cares? And it just tastes like a slightly odd cola, where that kind of caramel quality to cola turns into a sort of dirty coffee flavor. This, it's like you took a really great painting and just daubed over it with dirt and mud. You know what I mean? Just obscured anything charming or pretty or desirable or pleasurable about it with mud, with filth. This is just awful. It takes all the good points and all of that is smothered with dirty coffee water taste. It's very bad. It's very bad. Really? It just blows my mind that you couldn't do better than that, Coca-Cola. I think if you release that in Italy, I think it's almost offensive to Italians that you think that their coffee is that bad. Fritz wins. Well done, Fritz Cola, for not bad. Bad? Not bad. Not bad. I mean, not good, actually. Well, do I like anything? I do like things. I do like things. All right, that's it for me. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's things you want to taste or try down in the comments below. Let me know if you've had these and if you like them. I'd be interested to hear. As always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I feel like I'm playing some sort of weird panpipes.